Alright, welcome to a room tour. So when you first walk in, you've got the bathroom. It's a nice simple bathroom, nice colour. From first glimpse, everything looks quite clean. You've got a toilet and a shower cubicle. You've got those shared shampoo, conditioner and body wash behind. You've got a closet with some hanging space, ironing board and a luggage rack. Now this is going to be a very fast tour because we have just gotten in and it is 3 o'clock in the morning because our flight was delayed. Now we're not leaving till tomorrow, so they've put us up in this hotel. So there is 2 double beds separated by the lamp and telephone and notepad in the middle. You've got 2 chairs in the corner with a nice view of the airport. You've got a workstation, 2 rubbish bins, little chair, bit of a coffee station, as well as a flat screen TV with some storage space underneath. Having a look at the mini fridge, you've got an empty mini fridge, so you are able to put your own things in there. It's not one of the weighted ones, which is always really handy. You can cool your own drinks in there. Also got an ice bucket, glass and a safe as well. It's quite a dark space. That's all the lights. Oh, there's 1 lamp in the corner. So this is room 1210. When you come inside room 1210, you've also got the bathroom to the left. Very similar, or if not exactly the same setup. Shower, toilet, mirror. You've got that cupboard there as well, which is the same as us. And then when you open up into the main area, you've got the TV, 1 bed this time. That's what's different. You've got the 1 king bed with 2 tables either side. Same chairs, same desk, same view. Just got a different bed configuration. The carpets look quite clean, no obvious stains. Air conditioner vent looks clean, quite spotless actually.